Right, pal, I'm in a spot of bother with motor.
Oh, no trouble.
I've got a garage half mile down the road. If you want, I can go and pick truck up after I've dropped dog off.
Everything is fine. I thank you.
Yeah.
But there is really no need.
No, I'm no foul. Have a good day.
Your cries for help will go unheard.
What do you want with me?
Nobody can hear you. Not out here. This is where they brought me. This is where they broke me. Go away.
Whom are you talking to? Please, just let me go.
Those aren't the first tears to be shed in here, and they will not be the last.
I don't know what they did to hurt you, but hurting me, that won't change anything.
Hurt and pain, this is all I ever known. I'm not weak.
You are not weak. You are just unwell. There is people who can help you. I'll help you. I promise. Just let me go. Please.
I'm afraid. We can't do that.
Ravi, I didn't recognize you.
I was never memorable to you. Was I, Anya?
It's been a long time. Where have you been?
Away. Far away from you.
I'm sorry, Ravi. I don't know what they have done to you. You scared me. You're scaring me now.
How does it feel to be scared? How does it feel to be terrified and vulnerable?
We were kids, Ravi, kids. I have never forgiven myself for what happened. You don't need to do this. You could start a new life.
My life was over when I first met you. All I did, I cared for you. Maybe it was little too much for you. If there's such a thing. No reciprocation, just ridicule and torment.
So I prefer to bury my head in a book and maybe the sun from time to time.
You know what? I never harmed you. I've always loved you so much.
You are harming me now. If you have really loved me, you wouldn't do this to me.
This is now the nature of the beast. The beast you have created. And now you will have to face the consequences of your actions. Just like your brother did. And his pack of hungry wolves. Here is your brother. He's not so tough now. Are you? Kiss him goodbye. I'm not a rabbit! Shut up! Just shut up! I'm not a rabbit! Let her go. Let her go. Shut up! I will kill her! I will chop her hand. Let her go. Let her go. I love her. I'm not a library. She has to die. Just like her brother. I'm not a library. I will chop her hand. Ah!